The global performance car scene is heating up again, and this time the spotlight is firmly on Japan. Toyota has released a dramatic teaser announcing that three all-new sports machines will break cover together on December 4. From the shadows, enthusiasts can already make out the silhouettes of a brand new Lexus Sport Coupe and two versions of Toyota's upcoming GR-GT supercar. This trio represents one of the most ambitious performance launches the company has attempted in recent years, setting the stage for a new wave of Japanese engineering excellence. The first highlight of the teaser is the mysterious Lexus model positioned on the left side of the frame. Though shown only in a dark silhouette, the vehicle strongly resembles the Lexus Sport Concept revealed earlier this year. That earlier design preview signaled the brand's return to bold, dramatic coupes, complete with futuristic styling and a push toward high-end performance. The production model appears to carry over the same two-door stance, muscular rear fenders, and a sleek taillight signature that stretches across the back of the car. The Lexus concept generated excitement when it debuted, thanks to features like an illuminated fin, aggressive rear diffuser, and unique roof-mounted elements. Whether any of these details will survive the transition to production remains unclear. One subtle cue from the teaser suggests a textured rear glass panel, though fans will need to wait for the official reveal to confirm. What is known is that the car will not be fully electric, as earlier speculation suggested. Insider reports now point to a GR-based hybrid V8 powertrain tuned specifically for Lexus. This move signals a continuation of internal combustion performance for the brand, even as the rest of the market pushes aggressively toward electrification. The new Lexus Coupe is expected to arrive in 2026 as the successor to the LC Grand Tourer, rather than a direct revival of the legendary LFA. At the center of the teaser stands Toyota's new GR-GT supercar, which has been teased previously in both Japanese media and motorsport appearances. The GR-GT features a long hood, a streamlined cabin, and a clean rear glass surface that contrasts with the more experimental design of the Lexus model. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the back, bringing a modern and aerodynamic look. Earlier glimpses of the interior revealed a purposeful yet premium cabin layout. A large infotainment display sits above a row of physical switches, while the racing-inspired carbon fiber bucket seats underline the car's performance priorities. The heart of the GR-GT will be a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 paired with a self-charging hybrid system. This combination is expected to deliver around 800 horsepower from the combustion engine alone. With electric assistance added, the GR-GT could become Toyota's most powerful road-legal production car ever. Many fans are already calling it a spiritual successor to the V10-powered Lexus LFA, a vehicle that still carries a legendary reputation. The third silhouette in the teaser is clearly a track-focused variant of the GR-GT. Based on spy shots and the prototype that stormed up Goodwood, the race car version features aggressive aero components, including vented fenders, a fixed rear wing, vertical side exhausts, and a pronounced diffuser. The lowered stance and wide body proportions strongly suggest this model will compete in GT3 racing, likely evolving from the Toyota GR-GT3 concept first shown in 2022. Toyota will showcase all three models in a live-streamed global presentation on December 4. Company President Akio Toyoda and Chief Branding Officer Simon Humphries will host the event, highlighting Toyota's renewed commitment to performance and motorsport. With a new Lexus Coupe, a road-going GR-GT, and a hardcore GT3 racer all arriving together, December is shaping up to be a monumental moment for Japanese sports car fans worldwide.